Hey squad, what's up? Oh, I don't know where to go after that, hey. Sunscreens. I said sun. Everyone's asking me like all the time, like, girl, what's your skincare routine? Girl, this, girl, that. And I'm just like, it's coming. Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Anabelle. So everyone is always asking me what I do for skin prep before my makeup. And today I'll be taking you through my glowy daytime skin routine. So let's jump in. So step one is always my Perricone Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment. I love this stuff because it just really helps to eat away at any dead skin, soften flakiness, and fine lines. Perfect for before you put your makeup on. So just on a cotton round, it's like to saturate the middle and then smooth it all over my face. So it has allantoin in it, which is like Pac-Man eating away all the dead skin cells on your face. So it's perfect for before applying your makeup, just so that no foundation or powder clings to any dry patches on the skin. So you can also use a micellar water for this step or a toner, but I prefer using my Perricone. So next up is my serum. I'm going in with the Lancôme Genifique Youth Activating Serum. Love this stuff because it just really helps to fight the 10 signs of aging on the skin. The dropper is loaded with the perfect amount of product that you need per application, but you just want to work it in and massage it all over the skin. So I use this right now more as a preventative treatment to boost elasticity and radiance on my skin. Next up we have eye cream. So I'm going in with C-Tango from Drunk Elephant. This stuff is amazing for brightening and firming the under eye area because it has vitamin C and peptides. I like to go in with like a rice size amount and just smoothing it between my ring finger. I just like to pat it under my eyes and take any excess and just put it directly under my brow. So not a lot of people put their eye cream on directly after serum, but I think it just helps with absorption. Almost done. I'm going in now with Dr. Dennis Hyaluronic Marine Booster. I love using hyaluronic acid just because it really helps to boost firmness on the skin and plump. Also gives really good hydration during the day. So if you're in your early 20s, it's really good to start with this in your skincare. So I'm just putting on 3 drops and massaging that into the skin. So this stuff is feather light, super smooth. So if you're someone that has oily skin, it's not gonna feel really greasy or heavy or uncomfortable. So also keep in mind that your makeup applies so much more smoothly over hydrated skin. Now for moisturizer, using the Dr. Dennis Deep Cream. So this stuff is jam-packed full of vitamin C, so it's like a charger for your skin cells. Really good for boosting luminosity and radiance. Perfect for before makeup. So I pretty much just take that much onto my finger, warm it up between my hands, and gently press it into the skin. Can we all see the glow developing? I know I do. Who needs liquid illuminator when you have this stuff? The texture's really nice and emollient, so you can already see how it makes the skin look super, super radiant, but it sinks in really well so you don't have any greasy residue. Last step in my routine is, of course, sunscreen. Super duper important. I never used to wear it, but now I swear by this stuff. Some or most sunscreens make me look purple, but this one doesn't, which is refreshing because it doesn't leave that cast when you put your makeup on. So most people think that the SPF in foundation is enough, but it's actually not, because you'd have to use a tablespoon of foundation to get the right amount of coverage. That's why it's super important to make sure that you still wear your sunscreen. So now that my skin is all glowy and prepped, I'm gonna jump off, put my face on. If you'd like to see how I do that, check out my base routine video. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. My face is officially on, skin is still glowing, and I'm ready for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Woo! Okay, stunning.